Traders are answering your questions. First up, Joe, for you. Tony, Montreal, what do you think of Stryker?
Tony, thank you for the question. Stryker and a lot of the medical device names is a place that portfolio managers who were seeking the qualitative type of bend, they were hiding out last year. A lot of the names topped out during the summer, June, July, and August. PKI is a name which I have owned. I lost money in PKI. Thermo Fisher right now is at the top of my list. I think Stryker is fairly valued. They have a very diversified portfolio. I just would like to see a little bit of an improvement in the margins.
Okay. Jenny, Michael in Wisconsin on CenturyLink. Is it a buy?
It's a buy. We love it. We own it. It's got a 13.5% yield. It's covered by an 18% free cash flow yield. They own 450,000 miles of fiber. And as we move to 5G, well, one thing I want to say, a lot of times when people say everything's going to the cloud, they forget that it goes to the sky and then it ends up on fiber going, wherever it needs to go. And as we move to 5G, that becomes only more important.
Okay.
So love it.
All right. Thank you. Sarat, we have one from Judy on UTX. Buy, sell, hold, target.
I think it's a hold at this point. I prefer Honeywell because I think they've already done what UTX is doing right now, which is breaking up the company. I think there's more visibility on the Honeywell side than the UTX. So it's a hold for me until I see more that goes on there.
All right, Jimmy. Pat in Michigan, Cleveland Cliffs.
Hi,
what do you think?
I think you're supposed to hold this here. There's a lot going for this. Look, they just reinitiated a dividend, doing a buyback, opening up new mines. Their book value is about to go positive, and they've got this incredibly dynamic CEO. There's one negative, and you got to be aware of this. If you don't get a China trade deal, you got to get out of this stock. But I think we will.
Mills or mines?
Mines.
Mines.
What did I say?
You said mines.
Yeah.
Is it new Mills, though? Cleveland Cliffs?
No. They mine ore and sell it to mills. You're
Okay.
thinking of General Mills.
Yeah, fair enough.
You want to have the cereal discussion?
No, we did.
You guys good?
I don't know the name. Jimmy was bringing me up to speed.